Good afternoon, it's Joe with another cool car. This is a super unique 996. This is a 2004 996 40th anniversary edition, 40 Jahre, however you say it in German. They said they were going to make 1,963 of these, although if you check the registry, nobody's found one higher than about 1,520, 1,530. So very limited edition, say no more than 1,530 of these. It was a special car in many ways. GT Silver, which was the launch color for the Carrera GT, the only 996 available in GT Silver, later became a very popular color. Shot peened wheels, polished. It has the turbo or 4S style front bumper cover with the painted slats. Of course, it's got the Lightronic headlights. It has the X51 power kit. It has limited slip. It has MO30 suspension. It has painted hardback sports seats. See that? It has perforated leather on the seats, on the steering wheel, on the shift lever, Alcantara roof liner. It's a very special 996. I think, short of a turbo or a GT3, certainly easily to say this is the best of the regular 996s. That X51 motor was rated at 345 horsepower, and this car is really nice. I just had it detailed yesterday by Kerwin from Aloha Detailing, and he did just a spectacular job. Just, you know, the car was nice before, but it just really pops now. If you look closely at the car, it's been driven. It's what, now a 16, 18-year-old car. So you can see little chips on the hood like that. The front bumper cover was not great, and so we had that removed, stripped down to bare, and refinished by my friends at Apex Auto Body up in Denver. They do beautiful work too. There are new rear tires. The car's just been recently serviced at Big Mission up in Palmer Lake. It has the cocoa mats, which I really, really like. Interestingly, nice cocoa mat in the rear hatch area as well, or the rear window area. Really nice. You can see it's got the GT Silver painted center console. Just a really neat car. As we look inside, it's all stock. It does have a CD changer in the front trunk. Haven't tested that, and it's missing the 5-disc insert, but you can play CDs here. It's got the original factory stereo. And the mileage is only just short of 45,000 miles, 44,968 as of today. Cool car, lots of stuff to tell about it, and it's going to be the best value of one of these that have been seen for quite a while. If you're interested, please give me a call. This is Joe, 720-382-6167. Thank you for watching.